Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to update your phone number on Dollar General. Open the website at dollargeneral.com, then click Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email or phone and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for My Account. Click on My Account. On this page, you will see a section for phone number. On its right side, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit. Now on this page, you will see 3 blank fields. Enter the phone number you wish to use. After entering the required information, choose how you would wish to verify it. Either with a text message or a phone call. Once you've received the verification code, enter it. That's how you update your phone number on Dollar General. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.